Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clarify butter. In one easy step, you're going to have Desi Ghee at home, which can be used in any Desi desserts, or you can cook with the butter for that matter, and the curries actually taste very delicious. So let me tell you what you need, which is just one ingredient, which I have here, unsalted butter, just one pack, and let me show you what you need to do to clarify this. Okay, first of all, we're going to start with a small saucepan on the heat, and it's on a very low heat, just warm, and then we're going to tip our butter straight into that and allow that to melt down. So the pan's now on a medium to low heat and the butter's melting away nicely. I'm just going to allow that to melt down fully, and then I'll show you what we need to do. Right guys, the butter's now melted, as you can see, and it's on a low heat, and all that foam's come to the surface. Now, what my mum normally used to do was just add a teaspoon of chapati flour, normal chapati flour, straight into there like that, and just give it a stir. And that helps to sort of like draw out all of those solids, milk solids in there, and that will sink now to the bottom once the butter's done, and you'll be left with just beautiful clarified butter. And we're going to leave that to simmer away now for about 5 to 6 minutes, and I'll show you once it's done. So guys, it's been about 6 minutes and this is how it looks. So I have been giving it the odd stir in between occasionally, and all of the solids that came to the surface, the foam, has completely sort of like gone down to the bottom now. It's sitting at the bottom. I'm just going to turn this off now, my hob, and I'm going to move this to one side, and I'm going to let that rest and cool down ever so slightly, and then I'll show you what you need to do with that. So guys, the butter's now had time to cool down, and if you can see there, all of the milk solids along with the flour have sunk to the bottom, and you have just a beautiful layer of clarified butter. Now let me show you guys what you need to do next. So I've just added all of the contents in, including the milk solids into that as well now, and I'm just going to allow that to strain away slowly, and none of it will actually go into there, into the clarified butter, because we've obviously prevented that from happening. But any leftover ghee in there will obviously go straight through, and you're going to be left with the most amazing liquid gold there. You want to grab yourself a jar, a glass jar there, and just tip that straight in. And you can just pop the lid on. And you can pop that into the fridge, and that will store for literally months, and you can use that for your Desi desserts as and when you need to. I hope you found this video helpful. This, my friends, is liquid gold. In the Desi world of desserts, this is the liquid gold. So guys, there you have it, homemade clarified butter, also known as Desi Ghee. Now, when this cools down, this will solidify and harden, which is absolutely normal and natural. And go ahead, make this, store it. You can store this for months in the fridge. It'll last forever, literally. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have done, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, then guys, what are you waiting for? Hit that bell button to be notified also for any updates. I'm going to catch you with another video very soon. Till then, take care and happy cooking.